Hello everyone, today we will be building this beautiful dashboard with Power BI with the free version, and this chart is interconnected, which means when we select one option, the entire chart changes. Let's say we want to see the sales of this specific product, and the entire chart changes. And the other beautiful thing about this chart is you can even have the data by year or by categories if you want. If you want to see the data by year, by 2014, the entire chart changes. And if you want to do it for 2013, the entire chart changes. You will be learning all about this in this video. By the end of this video, I will also be showing you this amazing cool feature that's within Power BI. It's called QnA Visuals, where you can ask a question and it will give you an answer right within your dashboard. Let's say if you want to know, apart from the data that is on the dashboard, let's say you want to know what was the best performing segment in your company, and you just type best segment and type the category best segment by profit, and it will give you a beautiful visual. Let's say you want to know what was the sales in a specific year, and what you will do is just type in sales in 2013 and it will give you the information right there. All right, so yeah, this is an amazing dashboard which looks beautiful and professional, and I have provided the timestamps in the description below. If you like this kind of content, please do subscribe, like, and please do hit the bell notifications icon so that you get instant notifications as I upload videos every week. All right, without wasting any further time, let's get started. First thing that you have to do is just go to the website powerbi.microsoft.com. I will put the link in the description below, and just click on download free. Once you do that, it will open up a new window in Microsoft Store, and you have to click on get. This is free application. Just click on get. Once you have downloaded the app in the Microsoft Store, just click on launch. When you build a dashboard within Power BI, by default, the background looks something like this. This is way too old. We want to build a beautiful custom background which looks visually appealing and which is interactive. This video is divided into two categories. In the first category, we will be building the custom background for our dashboard. In the second category, we will be building this beautiful dashboard and bringing it all together. So in the first part, as you might know, that this is how a Power BI chart looks. This is very old-fashioned, and we want to build it in a much beautiful way, which is visually appealing and provides us the accurate and interactive information. And so let's get started. Let's start building the background. This is a custom background, and for this we will be using a free tool which is called Canva. Please open canva.com. I will put the link in the description below. Once you have opened up the website and you have signed up for it, just click on create a design. Over here, click on custom dimensions, and under the width and the height, just put in 3840 by 2160 pixels. Now you will see a blank page, and on the left hand side you will see the templates. We will select this one over here, and it will give us many options. We will select the first option. Canva is an amazing platform which I believe everyone should use. It has a free version and it has a pro version as well. Free version covers almost everything, and the pro version has more benefits to it. You will see in the next few minutes how easy it is to build stuff in Canva. So first things first, we will select this one. Just click on it, and on your keyboard, press delete. In the same way, just click on it, click delete. We are deleting all these elements. Just click on it, and on your keyboard, press the delete button. And we will delete this small element as well in the same way, and we will delete this as well. And let's move this box aside and delete this line as well. All right, now we have our background. Now what we are going to do is we are going to resize this box. Just click on it and just move it to the left hand side and just resize it. And now click on it and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to make a copy of it, and just align it accordingly and make a small box. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to make a copy of this. Just click on it and press Ctrl+C and then do a Ctrl+V to paste it. And then just move it aside. All right, perfect. Now we have our 3 boxes. And now what we're going to do is we're going to include a line. So for that, we're going to go to Elements over here on the left hand side. And it will give us many options. Under the lines, we're going to select the first one. As you can see over here, all these elements, they will you can identify them by free. Some are pro versions, so depending upon the license. So these are all free available. Now the color, we're going to change to white for this line, and we're gonna bring it over here, and let's extend this towards the right. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna include a title. So we're gonna click on text on the left hand side and click on add a heading. And what we're gonna do is just click on it and just move it towards the top left hand corner, and we're gonna reduce the font size by clicking over here and reducing it to 96. Let's try 120, and let's move it to the side, and let's change the font over here. Just click on this arrow pointing downwards and it will give us all these options. So from here we can select, let's select this one. All right, perfect. And so we are making a dashboard for a skateboard company. This is a demo dashboard with our demo data. So just type in the name of your company, whichever you're working for. All right. After the text, we need to only do one thing. We need to add a picture of a skateboard. So if you have a different company, you can add a picture over here as well, like the logo of your company as well. So right now we are going to be including a picture of a skateboard. So for that, we're going to go to photos over here. Over here, you will see all the photos available. As you can see, some are pro and some are free. So you can select the one which you like. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in skateboard. And over here, you will see many options available for you. And just scroll down till you see the one that you like. I like this one. This is a pro version, which Canva is providing an option for people to use the pro version for 1 month for free. You can try it out and you can see if you like it, then you can keep using it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to resize this picture. Just move these arrows and just resize it. All right, so once you have resized your picture, our background is ready. Now all we have to do is download this background, and we just want to click on the top right hand corner, click on download. And PNG is the best version of high quality. So we're going to click on download. All right, so this is my demo data, and over here it is divided into different categories. So the first thing that we have to do over here is we have to create a table. Let's say, for example, this is your entire data. What you do is you select it, click on this cell, and you select your entire data, and then you go to the Insert tab, and then you click on Table, and just click on OK over here. And over here you can name your table. So I have already named the table on my data over here. I have named it Financials. So we will be using it on our Power BI desktop. Once you open your Power BI desktop, you will see this screen over here. You can import your data from many sources. Excel is one of them. So today we will be working with Excel, and so I'm going to click on Import Data from Excel. All right, so now over here we have our table. So we just want to select it. We just want to click on Financials, and we're going to click on Load. Once the data has been loaded into Power BI, you will see it over here on the right hand corner. The first thing that we need to do over here is change the background. For that, you have to go over here, click on this, and then go to page background and click on add image. Once you have added your picture over here, change the transparency from 100% to 0%. And after that, under the image fit, click on fill. And it will automatically put it right in the middle. And once we have done that, our background is ready. Now let's build our dashboard. So the first one that we will be building over here on the left hand side, we will be building it by product. So we have to select one of the charts. Let's select this one over here, the clustered bar chart. And let's bring it, just click on it and just bring it over here. And once this is selected, just go on the right hand side. And over here, we will be selecting by product. And the values that we will be referencing would be by sales and profit. All right, perfect. Now that's done. Now just resize this. Now the next chart that we will be building, let's build maybe a donut chart, and let's bring it over here. Let's resize it. Just click on it and just drag this window so that it shrinks, and just bring it in this box. And over here we will be selecting product by profit. All right, that is done. Let's resize it accordingly to the box over here. All right, so the next one that we will be bringing into our dashboard would be a card. So over here on the right hand corner, just click on this option which says card. And over here, let's select a metric. Let's select total sales. Let's resize this chart. All right, once we have done that, now if you notice, our backgrounds are not transparent. So that's the next thing that we're going to do. So let's select the first one over here. And over here under the format, click on format. And under the background, just click on off. Same thing with this chart. Just go over here into the format section, and under the background, just click on off. Same here, just select that box. Under the background, click on off. Perfect. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make all the letters over here white in color. All right, so for that, just click on one of the charts, go into the same option over here which says format, and under the data labels, click on data labels over here, and under the color, select white. All right, now you can see all the data labels and it's white in color, and we're going to change this as well. All right, so just click on x-axis over here and just change the color to white in color. All right, that's good. And if you come down a little bit under the title, change the title color to white as well. All right, that's good. Once we have completed the x-axis, now let's go to y-axis over here and let's change the color to white. All right, that looks good. And same thing we're going to do with title. We're going to change the color to white. All right, so once we have done the x-axis and the y-axis, now let's change these colors as well. So for that, just go to the legend and under the color, change from black to white. All right, that changed this one over here, sales and profit. That looks good, perfect. And let's see if there's anything we need to change in general. No. And the data colors, you can select the data colors that you like. So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to select, let's select some custom color. All right, so that this light green color matches with our skateboard, so we're going to select this one over here. And in the same way, there is one thing that's left over here on the top. Let's change this one as well. So for that, just go to title and change the font color over here from black to white. All right, and just align it. If you want, you can align it in the middle. All right, that looks good. Perfect. So let's minimize this. So one chart is done, and we're going to do the same thing for the second chart as well. Just select it, go to this area which says format, and under the legend, let's change it to white in color. All right, perfect. That's good. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to actually remove this so that our chart looks much cleaner. So we're going to select the chart, and we're going to go over here, and we're going to turn off the legend. All right, that looks good. And we're going to go to detail labels, and over here we will be selecting it by category and percent of total. All right, that looks much better. All right, and let's change the color to white. All right, perfect. And the same thing we're going to do with title as well. We're going to change the font color to white, and let's bring it in the middle. All right, that looks much better. And let's change the color of this one as well. Let's go to the same section which says format, and let's change the color to white. All right, that looks good. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to change this. So under the category, let's change this to white in color. All right, perfect. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to bring in a slicer. We will be using ear. So for that, over here on the right hand corner, click on slicer, and over here let's select ear, and now click on this arrow pointing downwards and just select drop down and bring it over here on the top right hand corner and resize it. All right, so let's make its background transparent. Just go to the format section, and under the background, just increase the transparency of it, and let's change the color of the text to white in color. So for that, just click on slicer, header, and change the font color from black to white. All right, that looks much better. And over here you can choose between the year. So if you select 2013, the data will change. If you select 2014, the data will change accordingly. And if you want to clear your selection, just click on this. All right, that's done. So we only have one piece that's left, and this is the Q&A visualizations over here that Power BI has provided. So on the top right hand corner, just click on this Q&A, and once you do that, just bring it over here in this box. And the beauty of Power BI is it automatically selects the best options available for us, and it gives us the options. So over here it has already checked our data and provided us the options. So what we're going to do is let's actually make the background transparent. So let's go to background and let's increase the transparency. All right, perfect, that's done. Now let's make our text white in color. Just go to this option which says suggestions and change the color of the header to white. All right, that looks good. That looks much better. All right, yeah, that's it. And now if you want, you can just type in any question that you have about your data. Let's say you want to know profit by 2013. And it will give you the exact amount over here. And you can also check the data over here in the Q&A by visualization as well. So it has provided us many categories. So let's select this one, total profit by country, and it will give us a beautiful chart. And at the same time, it will also give us the direct answers that we want. All right, so that's it. And so finally, we have built our dashboard in Power BI. This is so easy to build. And this we have built using the free version of Power BI, and we have used a free tool called Canva. If you like the video, please do comment, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment. I would be glad to assist. And yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and please don't forget to hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications. All right, thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.